In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to install eyelets using these two tools. Alright, let's get started. You can install eyelets into a lot of different materials like paper, cardboard, fabric, felt, leather, plastic, but I'm just going to show you a few. Okay, let's start with cardboard. First, take the tool right here and adjust these to make sure that the hole right here is a little smaller than that on your eyelet. Then you take the material and punch a hole where you want your eyelet. Then you can flip it. Okay, once the hole is punched, then choose your eyelet. Then you set it on the hole, and then take this tool, open it, and put this peg onto the hole of the eyelet. Then push it in. Okay, now let's try felt. It's pretty much the same routine, except it's a little bit harder. Punch the hole. For this, you have to push pretty hard. Okay, and then once you get it, if you need to, you can finish cutting it out. After you punch the hole, choose the next eyelet you want, set it on, and push it in. Okay, now let's try paper. Same thing, so I will punch the hole. Thanks for watching, and if you don't have these tools, then click the link in the description to buy them.